Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Angry Birds so app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, you click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Angry Birds so app, or just click on search. Then here add Angry Birds so app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, click on force stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, you click here on Play Store here, then you search here for Angry Birds so app, is going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.